Hello there. So today I'm going to show you how to insert an object into an image using Adobe Express. So what you're going to need to do first thing is just open up your browser and go to Adobe Express or look for Adobe Express. It's usually the first link you see. Or if you want to go to the website right away, in the search bar, just type new.express.adobe.com. Okay, and then once you're signed in or once you create your account, just click on Generate with AI. And then what we need to do here is insert an object. So we'll just click on Insert Objects. And then it'll ask you for the background image. So I have an image of an empty street here. I'll just upload that. And then what you need to do is type in a prompt. Let's say I want a red car, for example. Make it realistic. And then you'll have to adjust your brush size and then use that brush to kind of identify where the car is going to be. So let's say this area right here, and then click on Insert. Now it's going to generate a car for you or generate what you asked for the prompt and put it there in the image. So yeah, it's done a pretty good job actually, and it gives you three results. And you can also like generate more if you want. This one is a bit hazy, but this one looks pretty good. And this one as well. And maybe if I adjusted the brush size a little bit better, or like I kind of selected a bigger area, that would have been better, but you get the gist of it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This is how to insert an object in an image using Adobe Express. Hope that video was helpful.